Head Swap Online Free with AI Face Swap Complete Tutorial. If you want to do a head swap using AI, what we're going to do is we're going to open up our browser and we're going to type in AI Head Swap. So we'll type in AI Head Swap Online Free. When we do that, we'll find many websites that can do this. You can just tap on the first link, and if one website doesn't work, you can try other ones, and some will require you to have premium, but of course we search free, so we should be getting the free versions only. So we'll tap the swap button right there on this website called AIEase.ai. We'll upload a target face, right? So we'll simply tap the upload button, and I'll go ahead and then select, let's say, a target face, and once done, I'll just let this upload. And when I've done that, I'll just tap on the swap button. So I'll just select man option, and when I've done that, I'll be able to go ahead and then tap the swap face button. And when I tap the swap face button, I can go to the other tab where I can upload the image where I want to change the face. So once I've selected that as well, now I'll be able to go ahead and then tap the swap button right there, and then the image that I've selected here will be replaced on the image that I've selected there. So these are some of the faces right here. So I can add the photo image that I want to add in this case, let's say, and once I've done that, I can select other image for that face also. I can choose another image for the other face also. I can go ahead and then choose another image. Once I've done that, let this upload and tap the swap face button. It might take some time, like about 10 seconds or something. Then after that, you will notice that the images has been swapped in that particular images, like the headshot or even the main face itself. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the video till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.